Similarity. Criteria for similarity of triangles. Similar figures, congruent figures, difference between similar figures and congruent figures, similarity of triangles, AAA criterion of similarity of triangles, SSS criterion of similarity of triangles, SAS criterion of similarity of triangles, and area of similar triangles. Hello students, this is a circle O. This is another circle for center X. Are these two circles similar or congruent? Similar figures. Two figures of same shape are called similar figures. As we know, these two circles have same shape. Therefore, these two circles are similar. But are they congruent? Congruent figures. Two figures of same shape and same size are called congruent figures. If we overlap parallelogram ABCD and parallelogram PQRS, they exactly overlap each other. Therefore, these two parallelograms are congruent. Now, if we drag these two similar circles, circle O and circle X, and overlap them, we find that one is smaller than other. Hence, we can say they are not congruent. From the shown figures, we can conclude that two similar figures need not be always congruent. The figures like two equilateral triangles or two squares are similar figures, but similar figures need not be always congruent. But congruent figures are always similar. For example, quadrilateral EFGH and quadrilateral KLMN are congruent. These two congruent quadrilaterals are similar because both are of same shape. Mathematically, we can state that two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if 1. Their corresponding angles are equal and 2. Their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. From these two figures, can we say that these two figures are similar? Yes, quadrilateral ABCD and quadrilateral PQRS are similar figures. If we set corresponding relation vertex to vertex as A corresponds to P, B corresponds to Q, C corresponds to R, and D corresponds to S, we get angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R, and angle D is equal to angle S. And ratio of side AB to side PQ equals to ratio of side BC to side QR equals to ratio of side CD to side RS equals to ratio of side DA to side SP. Similarity of triangles. Two triangles are similar if 1. Their corresponding angles are equal And 2. Their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or in the same proportion. Properties of similar triangles. 1. Reflexivity. Every triangle is similar to itself. 2. Symmetry. If first triangle is similar to second triangle, then second triangle is also similar to first one. Transitivity. If first triangle is similar to second and second triangle is similar to third triangle, then first triangle is also similar to third triangle. Criteria for similarity of triangles. AAA criterion of similarity of triangles. If in two triangles, corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion and hence the two triangles are similar. AA criterion of similarity of triangles. If two angles of one triangle are respectively equal to two angles of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. This may be referred to as AA similarity criterion for two triangles. SAS criterion of similarity of triangles. If one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the two triangles are similar. This criterion is referred to as side-angle-side similarity criterion for two triangles. SSS criterion of similarity of triangles. If in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of the other triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence the two triangles are similar. This criterion is referred to as the side-side-side similarity criterion for two triangles. Area of similar triangles. We have learned that in two similar triangles, the ratio of their corresponding sides is the same. Can we think there is any relationship between the ratio of their areas and the ratio of the corresponding sides? Yes, we can, and it is true too. We know that area is measured in square units. Therefore, the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Summary. In this subtopic, 1. Similar figures. Two figures of same shape are called similar figures. 2. Congruent figures. Two figures of same shape and same size are called congruent figures. 3. Two similar figures need not be always congruent. 4. Two congruent figures are always similar. 5. Two triangles are similar if 1. Their corresponding angles are equal, 2. And their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. 6. AAE criterion of similarity of triangles. 7. SAS criterion of similarity of triangles. 8. SSS criterion of similarity of triangles. 9. The relation between the area of similar triangles and its sides. That is all in this topic, student. Let us learn some theorem in our next topic. Maths is fun, so keep learning.